Bahamas. I now give the floor to His Excellency Sandiaga Salahudin Uno, Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy of Indonesia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, President of UN General Assembly, Secretary General of UN Tourism, Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and in particular my brother Ahmad Al-Khatib. Eid Mubarak, taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. It is a great honor to share the importance of tourism resilience from Indonesia's perspectives, which hopefully will contribute to the global sustainability effort. We have witnessed the soaring highs in 2019 and devastating lows during the pandemic. Now, as we move forward, emerging stronger and more resilient, it is imperative that we continue our commitment to championing three fundamental principles to fortify the future of tourism. Firstly, achieving sustainability. Indonesia tourism shares the value of balancing three dimensions of sustainability. And to that end, we actively promote sustainable and regenerative tourism. In collaborations with a digital startup called jejak.in, the ministry has developed online carbon calculator and carbon offsetting applications for tourism-related activities as part of supporting climate commitments. So when Richard Quest asks, do you offset, we know exactly how many trees that I need to plan on for my New York trip, exactly around 100.9 mangrove trees, which translate to about 17 million rupiah in terms of cost. Indonesia is also developing SDC guidelines and regulations for sustainable industry and destinations that are based on Global Sustainable Tourism Council standards, which support green investments, responsible marketing, and sustainable livelihood in tourism development. And those 100.9 trees I have chosen to be planted in the mangrove development areas near the island of Bali, in particular near the beautiful site of Nusa Dua. Secondly, ensuring inclusivity. Indonesia has attached great importance to inclusivity and equality of all sectors, particularly for women. Women make up 54.2% of the workforce in Indonesia's tourism industry. Acknowledging their increasing role, Indonesia will host the UN Tourism's second regional conference on women empowerment that will take place in Bali, 2nd to 4th of May, 2024. Last but not least, increasing productivity. Sustained growth is to ensure that tourism contributes to the socio-economic development at all levels. For Indonesia, we have seen promising trend post-pandemic, where tourism has seen an increase $14 billion in foreign exchange revenue and an increasing contributions of around 4% to our national GDP, while also providing jobs to more than 24 million of our people. To foster strategic partnership and drive more investments, Indonesia will host the second International Tourism Investment Forum in Jakarta on June 5th to 6th, 2024 in collaborations with the UN Tourism. All of you are welcome to participate. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, numerous challenges and opportunity awaits us. Yet our ultimate objective remains to build a resilient and prosperous tourism industry. Let us forge a sustainable and thriving tourism sector that benefits all through increased collaborations and partnership. Finally, in light of increasing global challenges, I wish to highlight that tourism is the inception of understanding among people, which I strongly believe will ultimately lead to world peace. And I thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I thank the Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy of Indonesia.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download MetroTV Extend sekarang.